Welcome to Dani's Auto World. Today, we're diving into the power-packed performance and incredible versatility of the 2025 Massey Ferguson 1800 Mini Tractor. Whether you're a homeowner with a few acres to manage or a professional in need of a compact powerhouse, this machine might just be the perfect fit for your needs. The 2025 Massey Ferguson 1800 is designed with the user in mind, bringing together rugged durability, modern features, and top-tier performance in a compact frame. Under the hood, you'll find a high-efficiency 1.5L 3-cylinder diesel engine that delivers impressive torque and reliability. Don't be fooled by the Mini in its name. This tractor means serious business. It packs up to 25 horsepower, enough to handle a wide range of tasks from mowing and grading to hauling and tilling. The hydrostatic transmission makes operation smooth and intuitive, especially for first-time users. You get two ranges and a side-by-side pedal system, giving you precise control and making direction changes quick and seamless. This is a game changer when working in tight spaces or maneuvering around obstacles. Comfort is another standout feature. The operator station is spacious for its size, with ergonomic controls, an adjustable seat, and excellent visibility in all directions. The flat platform makes getting on and off easy, and all essential controls are right where you'd expect them to be. Whether you're spending an hour or a full day in the seat, the 1800 keeps fatigue to a minimum. Now let's talk attachments. The 2025 Massey Ferguson 1800 is compatible with a wide variety of implements, from front-end loaders and backhoes to rotary cutters and box blades. Its Category 1 3-point hitch and rear PTO allow you to quickly switch between tools, adding tremendous value and versatility to your workday. What really sets this tractor apart is the Massey Ferguson legacy. Known for building dependable, easy-to-maintain equipment, they've once again delivered a compact utility tractor that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're maintaining a small farm, landscaping, or managing a large property, the 1800 series is up to the challenge. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Massey Ferguson 1800 Mini Tractor. If you're considering a compact tractor that's strong, smart, and built to last, this model deserves a place on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more reviews and updates here on Dani's Auto World.